Ready to blast off into some cosmic camaraderie? Today, March 16, 2025 at 1:35 a.m. EDT, SpaceX Crew 10, featuring NASA's Anne McClain and Nicole Ayers, JAXA's Takuya Onishi, and Roscosmos's Kirill Peskov, made a stellar entrance into the International Space Station. They're joining the Expedition 72 crew, already brimming with talent from NASA and Roscosmos. The welcome ceremony was a heartwarming spectacle, with smiles, hugs, and a few zero-gravity acrobatics. It's truly a sight to see astronauts from all corners of the Earth coming together, united by a common mission, to expand our understanding of the cosmos. For more awe-inspiring moments, NASA covered the event live on NASA Plus, and you can catch all the action on the ISS social media channels. Whether it's breathtaking views of our blue planet or the crew's daily life aboard the ISS, there's always something to inspire and amaze. So if you've got a minute, why not dive into this epic space rendezvous? Who knows, you might even start dreaming of your own adventure among the stars.